Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Ravi and welcome back to another Adobe After Effects tutorial from Era FX. So in this video we'll be learning to make these glowing patterns in a very simple and easy way. So I'll first create a new composition. I'll name this glowing patterns. 1920 by 1080 is fine with a duration of around 10 seconds and I'll hit OK. So now I'll type in some random text. To do that, I'll click on this T button here and type in some text. I'll just type Era FX Studio. Alright, and now I'll go to the effects and presets panel that I have on the right. If you don't find this panel, make sure you go to window and ensure that effects and presets is checked. So I'll type in glow. So I'll drag this glow effect from the stylize section and I'll drag this onto my text layer. I'll change the glow radius to around 50 and I'll also duplicate the glow effect again. I'll right click on this effect and click on duplicate and I'll change the glow radius to around 300. So now I'll go back to the effects and presets panel and type in CC Kaleida. So I have this effect called CC Kaleida in the stylize folder and I'll drag this onto my text layer. Once you do that, you can see that we have some sort of kaleidoscope effect, and I'll increase the glow radius of the glow to a bit so that it covers the entire composition. And I'll go to the CC Kaleida effect and change the mirroring from flower to starlish, and I'll click on this timer button here for size. Make sure you're at the first frame. I'll go to around 5 seconds forward and change the size to around 60, and I'll move to the last frame and bring this back to 20. Another thing that you can do is I'll hold Alt on my keyboard and click on this timer button here for rotation so that an expression editor opens up, and we'll type in an expression called time into 40. Alright, so that it rotates continuously, something like this. So if I start playing the video, you can see that this is how you have some sort of glowing patterns, and that is what you need. I'm going to give you a quick tip here. You can select your text layer and change the color from white to something that you want. I'm changing it to blue just in case if you want to change the color of the glowing patterns. So you can change the text here so that the patterns would have different shapes if you change the text. Adobe After Effects is all about creativity, so you can tweak different values that you have here to make a cool glowing pattern effect. I hope you found this video helpful, and if that's the case, give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to talk with me regarding visual effects and video editing, you can always reach out to me on Instagram. See you guys next time with another tutorial.